Have you ever wondered why some people seem to age gracefully while others struggle? Why some folks are still active, sharp, and full of life well into their 80s and 90s, while others feel like they're falling apart at 65? It's not luck. It's not good genes alone. There's something else going on. The truth is, the people who live the longest, who stay healthiest, who remain active and independent, they're doing things differently. But here's the interesting part. Most of these things are hidden. They're not the obvious stuff everybody talks about. They're habits so simple that people overlook them completely. Today, we're uncovering the real secrets to living longer and living better. These are the habits that researchers have discovered through studying people who've lived past 100. These are the daily routines that add years to your life and life to your years. And the best part, you can start any of them today. Let's start with something so simple that most people don't even think of it as exercise. Walking. Not gym walking, not power walking with special shoes, just regular walking, easy everyday walking. Here's what research shows. People who walk just 30 minutes a day, most days of the week, live significantly longer than people who don't. We're talking about living 5 to 7 years longer. But it's not just about the years, it's about the quality of those years. Walkers stay mobile, they stay independent. They don't end up feeling frail and stuck. Walking does something remarkable to your body. It keeps your heart strong. It keeps your bones from getting weak. It keeps your joints moving smoothly. It actually keeps your brain sharper. Studies show that walking improves memory and thinking skills. People who walk regularly have less risk of dementia and cognitive decline. And here's something surprising. Walking is one of the best things you can do for your mood and mental health. It reduces anxiety. It lifts depression. It gives you a natural boost of those feel-good chemicals your brain needs. The hidden part? It's not about going fast. It's about going regularly. Slow, steady walking, done every single day, does more for longevity than intense exercise you do sporadically. Your body responds to consistency, not intensity. Some of the longest-lived people in the world walk after every meal. They don't sit down and stay planted. They get up and move, even if it's just a 10-minute stroll around the house or the neighborhood. That movement after eating helps with digestion, blood sugar, and circulation. This one's connected to walking, but it's different. It's about sitting less. Here's what we know. Sitting for long periods is one of the most damaging things you can do to your body. Studies call sitting the new smoking. It slows your metabolism. It makes your blood clot easier, which increases stroke risk. It weakens your muscles. It even speeds up aging at the cellular level. But most people spend hours and hours sitting. They sit through breakfast, sit at the table, sit in the car, sit in front of the television all evening. Some people sit for 12, 14, even 16 hours a day. The hidden habit that long-lived people practice is breaking up sitting time. They don't sit for more than 30 minutes without getting up. They stand, they stretch, they move around. This doesn't mean you have to exercise. It just means interrupting the sitting. Get up, walk to the kitchen, do some gentle stretching, walk back. Stand while you're on the phone, stand while you're reading. Take your calls standing up. People who move frequently throughout the day, who break up, sitting into small chunks, have better blood flow, better weight control, better blood sugar, and stronger bones. They have more energy because movement creates energy. And they live longer. The beautiful part is how simple this is. It's just a pattern change. It's habits, not heroics. Here's a habit that most people don't connect to for longevity, but research shows it might be one of the most important, and is social connection. People who have strong social relationships, who spend time with friends, with family, who are part of a community, live longer and healthier lives. We're not talking about just having people around. We're talking about real connection, real conversation, real relationships where people care about each other. Loneliness, on the other hand, is as damaging to your health as smoking or obesity. It speeds up aging. It increases inflammation in your body. It raises blood pressure. It makes your immune system weaker. Lonely people get sick more often and recover more slowly. The hidden habit is staying connected, not just by phone or email, but in person. Face-to-face time matters. It changes your brain chemistry. It triggers the release of healing hormones and chemicals. Even short visits make a difference. People who live to 100 often talk about their family and friends. They spend time with people they love. They're part of something bigger than themselves. A church, a club, a hobby group, a volunteer organization. Even if you're not naturally social, the habit still works. It's not about being an extrovert. It's about showing up and connecting, even in small ways. A weekly coffee with a friend, a monthly dinner with family, a regular volunteer commitment. These consistent connections add years to your life. The research is clear. People with strong social ties live dramatically longer and have fewer diseases. It's one of the most powerful predictors of longevity there is. Your body does its repair work while you sleep. Most people don't realize this, but sleep is when your brain clears out toxins. It's when your body rebuilds. It's when your immune system strengthens. People who sleep poorly, who don't get enough, or who wake up constantly, age faster. They get sick more. They gain weight. They lose memory and cognitive ability. But the hidden habit isn't just about getting 8 hours. It's about getting quality sleep consistently at the same time every night. Your body has rhythms. If you go to sleep at 10 one night, midnight the next, and 8 the night after, your body doesn't know what to expect. It stays in fight or flight mode. You might be in bed, but your nervous system is stressed. People who live long lives have a sleep routine. They go to bed around the same time. They wake up around the same time, even on weekends. This regularity tells your body, it's safe. It's time to repair and restore. Your body knows what to expect and can do its job. The other part is sleep quality. That means a cool, dark room. No screens before bed. A calm mind. Some gentle movement or stretching before sleep helps. A routine that signals to your body that sleep is coming. 7 to 8 hours of good, consistent sleep might be the single best thing you do for your longevity. Your brain needs it. Your body needs it. Your immune system depends on it. Here's something the longest-lived people have in common. They have purpose. It's not just about staying busy. It's about doing things that matter, things that feel meaningful, things that make them feel like they're contributing. Research shows that people with a strong sense of purpose live longer, have fewer heart attacks, have better mental health, and stay sharp longer. Purpose literally extends your life. The hidden habit is being intentional about what you do, not just filling your days, but filling them with things that feel important to you. This might be different for everyone. For some people, it's volunteering. For others, it's caring for grandchildren. For others, it's creating, painting, writing, gardening, cooking. For some, it's learning something new. For others, it's mentoring or teaching. The key is that it matters to you. It makes you feel like you're making a difference or growing or contributing something to the world. People with purpose wake up with a reason. They have something to do. They stay engaged with life. They don't decline as quickly as people without purpose. They stay mentally sharp because their minds are being used. They stay emotionally healthy because they feel needed. Even simple daily purposes work. Tending to a garden, writing letters to grandchildren, being the person in your friend group who remembers everyone's birthdays, having a hobby you care about. These things add years to your life because they give you a reason to take care of yourself. This isn't about dieting. It's about how people who live long eat. They eat mostly whole foods, real food, things they recognize as food. Vegetables, fruits, beans, nuts, whole grains, fish, eggs. They don't eat processed, packaged food as their main diet. But here's the hidden part. It's not about being perfect. It's about consistency. People who live to 100 don't obsess over every meal. They just have good patterns, mostly plants, not too much. And they move on with their lives without stress about it. When you eat real food consistently, your body gets what it needs to function properly. Your cells repair better. Your inflammation goes down. Your organs work more efficiently. Your energy stays stable. Your weight stays healthy. The stress of perfect dieting actually ages you faster than eating good enough food and relaxing about it. So the habit is simple. Eat mostly whole foods most of the time. Move away from packaged and processed stuff. But don't stress about being perfect. Just eat food, real food, and move forward. People who do this live longer and actually enjoy eating more. They taste their food. They appreciate it. They don't feel deprived. Finally, one of the most powerful habits that gets overlooked: quieting your mind. Whether it's meditation, prayer, sitting quietly, deep breathing, or whatever you want to call it, taking time to calm your nervous system is one of the best things you can do. Chronic stress ages you at the cellular level. It raises inflammation. It weakens your immune system. It makes your heart work harder. It speeds up aging in almost every measurable way. But when you take time to be still, something powerful happens. Your body shifts out of fight or flight and into rest and repair mode. That's when healing happens. The people who live longest aren't usually people with stress-free lives. They're people who have learned to manage their stress. They take moments to be quiet. Even 5 or 10 minutes a day makes a difference. It might be sitting with a cup of coffee in the morning before the day starts. It might be a walk in nature. It might be formal meditation. It might be prayer. It might be sitting on the porch watching birds. Whatever calms your mind works. This habit tells your body that you're safe. It's okay to relax. It's okay to repair. And your body responds by actually repairing. These 7 habits aren't complicated. They're not expensive. They don't require a gym, membership, or special equipment, or strict dieting or extreme discipline. They're simple, they're doable, and they're powerful. Walk regularly, sit less, stay connected, sleep well and consistently. Do things with purpose. Eat real food mostly. Quiet your mind. That's it. These hidden habits, done consistently over time, add years to your life and quality to those years. The people who live to 100 aren't doing anything magical. They're just doing these everyday things consistently, year after year, decade after decade. So here's what I want you to think about. Which of these habits resonates most with you? Which one feels like the one you want to focus on first? You don't have to change everything at once. Pick one, start there. Build it into your life for the next 30 days. Then add another. Real change happens slowly, with small, consistent choices. What habit are you going to start with? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're choosing and why it matters to you. If this video helped you, please give it a like. And if you're not already part of our senior wellness community, subscribe. We share videos every week about habits, foods, and routines that help you live longer and feel better. This is where we talk about the real secrets to aging well. Thank you for being here. Here's to adding years to your life and life to your years. Take good care of yourself, because you deserve to live fully and vibrantly for as long as possible. Wishing you health, purpose, and all the joy that comes from living the way your body was meant to be lived.